I'm so bored. No. Yo, wanna battle for a prize? Yep. Okay, cue the intro. First challenge is to jump over these pits of spikes. You'll only be 2 people at a time. Go. You can jump over this cliff. Watch me. Watch me. I'm gonna jump over the cliff. Oof. Mango is safe. What did I do to deserve this? Ah! Ball cat is out. What a twist. Next up is not doing this challenge. You can't make me do the challenge. I'm not doing this challenge. Ah! Cheeto shirt and reverbed emoji are eliminated. Who you want eliminated in square brackets. Vote now. Now!